Mr. Bloxham here. We're just going to finish the buns off. We've got some hot cross buns, some cinnamon buns, and I've got 3 different buns here which we're going to do. The first thing I'm going to do with the hot cross buns, I'm going to glaze them. You can either glaze them with apricot jam, which you strain, or bun wash, which is sugar and water, or I'm using golden syrup here, but either one, I mean, this just saves me making it, but you can just use sugar and water, boil it up for a little bit, and then brush it on. It gives it a nice shiny texture. There we go, we've done all those. So these ones, I'm not going to bother doing. Actually, I will do these ones. I'll do 2 of them, but not one of them, because one of them I'm going to ice. So these are going to be for Devon splits with cream and jam, and there's going to be 1 iced bun here. What was one of the little silicone things broken there? Take that one off. But okay, now I'm going to make some icing. So we're going to do some cinnamon icing. So I've got 2 dessert spoons of water. So I need probably about 6 dessert spoons of icing sugar. Normally it's 1, depends how heat they are. 4, 5. This looks a lot here, but once you stir it around, this will probably be too runny. Most people make it too runny. If I had 7 different colours, I might feather one, but I don't think I've got any food colouring at home. This one here, still a bit runny. Stir it all in. Still a little bit runny. About another tablespoon or so, I reckon. 1, 2. Hopefully that'll be about right. It depends how thick you like it. This is going to go in the piping bag, which I'm just going to make. This probably be about right. So I'm going to ice 1 bun first. And if you're icing a bun, you want to do it on the spoon and see if it runs off quickly. And it's running off quite quickly. Maybe that's going to run off the bun. Yeah, so maybe a tiny bit more, but it looks quite thick. So you don't need it too thick, especially for the piping of these ones. That's going to probably be okay. So just get 1 bun. And these are for like an iced bun. You can see these sold all the time, and they do them all different colours. And you can feather them as well. But if it's too runny, it just runs straight off. This will probably be alright, and it won't run too much. Do a bit on that bit there. Do it at the back of the spoon. Scrape any excess off. That's 1 done. Then these ones are going to be for Devon splits for something else. I'm going to make a piping bag now for the cinnamon buns. So the pupils like the cinnamon buns, they're not so keen on the hot cross buns because they don't like so for this is going to be the point here. So if you need to make a piping bag, you might have some at home. The point's going to be there. So we make a cut like a cone. So that's going to be a cone. So this bit is the same as the other bit. And you push it tight and it looks nice and tight, quite sharp here. So nice and tight. So bring this bit round. Nice and tight. As you can see, it's quite a sharp point on there. Hopefully you can see that's quite a sharp point. Then we roll it down. We snip it or cut it or roll it down, then it won't move. So this will hopefully be long enough. So normally I do this with a teaspoon, not a dessert spoon, so I can get it inside and push it off. This should be enough to do that. Pair of scissors to cut the end off. Really don't need to cut too much off. So you can see it's coming out there. Then we can just go across here, backwards and forwards over the cinnamon buns. If you like it a bit thicker, I'm going to do half of it, then I'm going to cut a bit more off, and then you can see what you like. You might like it a little bit thicker than that sometimes, and some of the pictures they look a bit bigger. So I'm going to take a tiny bit more off, and you can have a look to see what you like. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker now. Yeah, nice straight lines. And you could flavour this. I put cinnamon in the. I wouldn't normally put cinnamon in the icing, otherwise the icing would go a dark colour. But you could put vanilla in it, you can make it with orange juice. I've seen another recipe with orange juice, so I don't know which one's better. You can go this way, I'm only going to do this on a couple of them to go crisscross. They don't normally go both ways, but just going to show you that. So that's that one. Now this is a bit hard, these are going to be Devon splits. So we're going to get a sharp knife, put a slit down the middle of them. And then we're going to pipe some cream in. I haven't got any fluted nozzles. But I have got some fresh cream here that I've whipped up. Put it in here. So I have to do it with a plain nozzle. Yeah, push it down. And a nozzle would be better, but I haven't got one. So you open it up. And we're going to make it like a bit of a pattern up and down. That's one done. Still looks like a bit of a pattern on there with the piping bag, but a fluted one would be a bit neater. Then we're going to put some jam on these, and we're going to put some icing sugar on it. So the next thing to do is I've heated some jam up. This is a bit of a long job. We're going to strain the jam through a sieve, because if you pipe it, you're going to get the whole strawberries out unless you get some jam with no bits in it. So this is a long job, especially if I'm only making two. It's okay if the whole class are making it, because we'd be using only one sieve between the whole class. Yeah, maybe enough up for half a pot up or something would do the whole class. So they don't make this actually at the moment. They would do to make hot cross buns, but years ago they used to do 4 dairy dishes for their exam, 2 savoury, 2 sweet, and quite a few made Devon splits, because they're quite a lot harder than Chelsea buns, which are similar to the cinnamon buns. So we scrape all this off here, so this will have no lumps in it. Make another piping bag. Make another piping bag, or you might have some plastic ones you can use, but these ones, then you can just throw them away after. Push it down. Jam in here, plenty here. This will do about probably enough for 5. I won't be wasting that. I could just do something with it. So cut a little bit off of this one. So don't come out of the cream now. You have to keep it within the cream. Keep it within the cream. If the camera wants to get a bit closer, they can watch this. If the camera gets a bit closer, this is a lot harder than it looks. The pupils, when they do it, go all over the bun. Try not to go over the bun if you're ever making this. These are called Devon splits. You can either fry these. It's a bit like a cream donut in effect, but these are baked ones. But you could also fry them. Then we get a little bit of icing sugar in this one here, just to finish them off. Maybe a tiny bit of icing sugar. I don't know if these need any icing sugar or not, but these ones do. That's finished with. So that can go in there. We can put that bun on here like that. Put that one on here. And we'll get another plate for the hot cross buns out. That's the cupboard. So this is this week's challenge. You don't have to make all 3, obviously. Just one of these 2 are the main ones, but you can try the other ones if you like as well. Okay, that's Mr. Bloxham. Good luck with the competition. Thank you, bye.